Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter 4 of class 7, that is heat. Here you can see there are some pictures, and by seeing all these pictures you can conclude or you can say me that which object is hot and which object is cold. So this is a task for you. You will cross the objects which are hot and tick the object which are cold. Another one, see this table, also the objects are mentioned here, and you can also say me which one is cold and which one is hot. Like ice cream is always cold. Similarly the other objects are given, and you can tell me which one is hot and which one is cold. If I will ask that how you are saying that this object is cold or which this object is hot, then you will probably say that by touching these objects I can say that this object is hot or this object is cold. So let us do an activity. Here you can see there are 3 jars with water. In mug A there is cold water, in mug B there is hot water, and in mug C we will take both hot and cold water or normal water. And then I will say put your left hand in cold water and put your right hand in hot water. So now you will feel that your left hand, which one is in the cold water, will feel coolness, and the right hand, which is in hot water, will feel hotness. And then if I will say simultaneously you take out your both the hands and dip it in the third jar, that is containing both hot and cold water, what you will observe, this is a simple activity. You can also conduct it at your home, that if you will put left hand in the cold water and by dipping the left hand in the jar C, you will now feel hotness, and the right hand, which one is in hot water, you will now feel coldness. So by this activity we can conclude that only by touching we cannot conclude that which object is hot or which object is cold. So our sense of touch is not so reliable regarding this. So simply here we can measure this hotness or coldness by using a term, that is temperature. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. If I will ask what is the definition of heat, you must say that heat is a form of energy. Temperature, what do you mean by this temperature? It is the measurement of hotness or coldness of any object. Students, see, if I will say that measure your house length or your home length, then you will use a device, any device like scale or any measuring device you will use to measure the length of a house. Similarly, if I will ask to measure the temperature of any object, you have to use a device that is known as thermometer. So what is thermometer? It is a device that is used to measure temperature of anything. And basically it is of two types, that is clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. These are the common two thermometers that are used, but nowadays also some other thermometers are there, like today you can see that in news channel a digital thermometer that is used at stations to measure the body temperature, that is known as your thermal testing. We are doing thermal testing without touching anyone. But by using clinical thermometer or laboratory thermometer, you have to touch the object. But using the digital thermometer that are used at the stations, you don't have to touch the object, because you also know that we are going through a pandemic danger, that is COVID-19. So we are not touching anything. So that type of thermometer is also used nowadays. So in the next class we will continue we will discuss the whole more thing about these thermometers. So I think you have understood this. If you have any doubt, then let me know. Thank you everyone.